Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Wipro star hiring for fresher students who are all going to graduate in 2021 and 2022. So many candidates ask me how to open a star registration link and how to create a superset account. I am explaining how to create a superset account in the video description. I'll provide the link. You watch the video fully and then you can create an account. The star account, why we are not able to apply? Why? Because of you should contact your placement officer. This will be open due to your placement officer. So just contact your placement officer. Eligibility criteria 60% in 10th, 12th. In academics, 1 year gap should be there. All branches can apply. 2022 passed out student. 3 year of gap in education is allowed. So graduation should be completed within 4 years. Qualification B, BTech, age limit 25. Evaluation process, registration, assessment, business discussion, letter of intent, offer letter. Compensation per annum 10 lakhs plus one retention bonus paid after 1 year from BTC. Designation project engineer, career band B1, service agreement not applicable. So malpractice said by done by the online assessment, voice versus duplicate checks after done by offer letter PDF or other letter of candidate. This all the requirement from the Wipro. The registration is still going. Why you are not able to apply? Why? Because of your college or your placement officer. The placement officer should mail the campus at wipro.in to the company and they just want to hire from project engineer based upon your resume and the skills. They can hire if you have done any certification in project or cloud, AWS, data science. So many things are there. In that, if you have done any certification, it will be helpful for you to convert project into engineer to design project engineer 3.5 to 7 or turbo to 7 to 10. So you just contact a placement officer and ask, sir, I am going to write star hiring process. Just allow me to write, sir. If you ask means you will provide the link with the placement officer from your college only you can write this exam. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. If you needed a Wipro HR company mail means if you comment me, I will provide in the comment. So thanks guys for watching this channel.